Hi YouTube, how you guys doing today? Garage Boys here, back at it again. Today we're gonna show you how to get out of pickle. If you ever have this issue with your tire and your rim, obviously you need to take off your tire and take it to a tire shop, right? Well, that's wrong. You can do it yourself. All you need is a jack, lift up the vehicle, and what we're gonna use is starting fluid and a lighter. So just watch out, it's a bit dangerous. Not recommended if you're under 18. But this is what we're gonna do, so here we go. Okay guys, so just kind of set up the tire to where it's the closest to a rim as possible, just like this, as you can see it, and then find a hole where you can put the starting fluid. So you're gonna just spray some starting fluid just like that, and you're gonna get your lighter, just back up a little bit. There we go. See that, guys? Magic. Grab a little bit of your starting fluid, put it inside in between the rim and the tire, just like that. Now you're gonna get your lighter, and just watch out, there's gonna be a little bit of a fire explosion, but don't worry. Your goal is to just light it up and then turn it off as soon as you can, and that smoke is going to fill the tire. So you can do it a couple of times, just like that, and there you go. See that, guys? Once the smoke is all in there, you get the little explosion, and then that will automatically put the tire in place. Then you'll have a little bit of the tire's gonna start sucking in. So what you have to do is just release some of the air, get something pointy, and release all the air that's inside. You can do it with your car key, and as you can see, it's gonna get back in place, but the tire's already there. Now you can use it. If you have a tire inflator, now you can use it. Before you couldn't, because of the tire wasn't in the rim itself, but now it is. As you can see how the tire is, no big deal. Just release the air first, give it a second, and then you can add normal air with your tire inflator. So there you go, guys. This is how you do it, real quick, real easy. Perfect if you're on the road or whatever and you're not near a tire shop. This is your easy way out or whatever. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm sure this helped. Take care.